Okay, we're going to finish up our comb and brush set by closing up our package. Okay, so this is what we're looking like so far. It is not closed up all the way, as you can see. Okay, but before we get into that, I just want to go back a few steps. Now, when you get your comb and brush set, it's closed like this. Now, remember, I told you got to be careful to open it because we want to preserve this portion, the cardboard part, and also the plastic. Okay, so once you peel it off, it's going to be some stuff you might have to cut off because you want it to get it as flat as possible. It don't have to be perfect, but you want it to get it all, like the pieces that's sticking up. Just simply cut it off with your scissors as such, so it'll look like this. Once you've done that, then you can go ahead and put your vinyl sticker right on top of it, and it should come out nice and smooth like this. No wrinkles, no bumps, no nothing. Okay, so once you get your cardboard together and with the sticker, now it's time to work on the plastic portion, okay? Which is the plastic portion. And we want to clean this up to look like this. Okay, and let me show you how to do that. Now, if you pay attention, there's a red border around from the cardboard from this, okay? And we want to clean that up. And all you're going to do is take your scissors and cut it right off. However, you want to save as much of the plastic part as possible that does not have the red cardboard on there. So if you look pretty closely, I already did the top. I just want to show you. If you see this part, the lip, let me point with my scissors so you can see. The very edge. You see that part? See how there's still some left? That way we can attach it to the back to the cardboard once we get it cut. We place our double-sided tape on the edge of here and stick it down. So you make sure you save as much as the edge part as possible. So I'm going to show you on this side. We're going to cut this red part off. However, we're going to save as much as possible of the edge part. Okay? But we don't want that red. So just take your scissors and cut as much as you can. Remember, trying to save, so we're going to just go ahead and cut all the way down. Just like that. Now, we can go ahead and try to cut it a little bit more so none of that red will show. Let me do that. Hold on, I'll come back. See? Now we're done. See how there's still a little piece left on the edge? That's what we want. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like when it's all cleaned up. This is what you should have. And we'll be back with it all complete. Again, we're going to use double-sided tape from, I think I got this from Dollar Tree. I can't remember, but I think it's Dollar Tree. Yes, just use double-sided tape. Tape up your edges. You don't have to do it all the way around, just spots. And when you place it down, make sure you can do it vertical to help you out a little bit better rather than horizontal. So we're going to put it together that way so it'll be easier. And make sure you push down on the edges real good so it won't lift up. Because you got to remember, we're working with rhinestones, so it's going to lift up the package a little bit. Okay, so make sure you hold it down, press it down, make sure everything's nice and secure. With that being said, I'll be back with the finished product. Okay, you guys, we are finished. We are finished with our comb and brush set. Now, there are a few things I would like to go over with you. First of all, please make sure you clean your comb and brush before you package it. Please wipe it down with some rubbing alcohol. This is 91%. And just wipe everything down, your comb and your brush down real good. Then I also would like to talk to you far as the double-sided tape. Now, when you place the double-sided tape onto your plastic, all I did was take my scissors and just trim the excess tape off of the plastic to give it like a little cleaner look. Okay, so that's what we did. And also, I would like to mention that if you would like both sides of your package to be covered, All you got to do is when you're on the computer is duplicate the image, or should I say duplicate the background, because you don't need the girl boss and the little baby on there. You don't need that, just the background. And you just stick the sticker right on the back. Or you can do it how I did and just do the front, so that way whoever receives this gift, if they want the information for the comb and the brush, all they got to do is flip it over and read it.